Hey, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the language settings between, say, English, French, or Spanish. So the vehicle's on. This is the main screen you'll see when you start the vehicle. We're going to be using these for the controls today. These for your switching between options, and then this is an up and down. So we're going to start with this. So we're pushing that. We're going to keep pushing it until we get over to settings. And then at this point, we're going to use this to toggle down. So we're pushing down. We're going to keep going until we get to maintenance. I'm sorry, not maintenance, language. So 2 more. And then to select that, we're going to push the enter. So we've pushed that. And then here you can toggle between whichever language and push enter again. And as you can see, the language changed. I speak English though, so I'm gonna make mine back to English. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.